Visual Arts Scrapbook by Ivelisse Del Valle. Content of this presentation: fine art, folk art, applied art, commercial art, and popular art. Fine arts characteristics are: academic pursuit of art, standards exist, classified as high culture, galleries, museums, known genres as painting, drawings, sculptures, and printmaking, serves as aesthetic purpose. Agony in the Garden. It is considered to be fine arts due to engraved lines, facial expressions, and use of space. The Swing. It is considered to be one of Rococo era masterpieces. Standards exist among details. Psyche revived by Cupid's kiss. It is considered to be fine art due to the high skills and standards in sculpture genre. His arts are exhibited in museums. Pentecost. It is considered to be fine art because standards exist and according to the use of small spaces in vertical form. Folk art characteristics. Untrained artists, inspired by daily life community, may serve utilitarian purposes, may serve decorative purposes, often uses common materials, seen in homes, yards, communities. Greek gold wreath in Greece. This wreath is considered to be folk art because it was an artistic expression inspired by real leaves and flowers in Greek communities. It was worn in religious ceremonies and given as a prize in athletic or artistic contests. Baile de Bombas. It is considered to be folk art because it represents the cultural mixtures of African culture and Puerto Rico typical dance, bomba. Both cultures are blended in one painting. Terracotta Army. It is considered to be folk art because it provides a view of how soldiers looked like in the era of Emperor Qing. This was located in the eastern area of China. La Madre Patria. It is considered to be folk art because it represents a time in the history of Mexico Revolution, utilizing patriotic symbolisms and the Mexican flag. Applied art characteristics. High quality products. between fine art and craft, functional in an aesthetic way or decorative, trained artists or apprentices, craftsperson, genres, ceramics, furniture, glass, wood, textiles, and jewelry. Products can be found in homes, offices, or public buildings. Leaf fan with Roman ruins. It is considered to be applied art because it is a useful artifact and has hand-painted Roman ruins. Dawn Nebula. It is considered to be applied art. This item is considered as part of an everyday use. This is a common item found in homes and may be used to decorate inside homes. Pottery. It is considered to be applied art due to the type of utilization that was given and the art applied to the object are handcrafted. It is considered as a quality product due to its history. Chinese jades. It is considered to be applied art. This is a belt buckle with a jade carving of a wild goose and details of flowers that were handcrafted. Commercial art. Its characteristics. Trained artists, designers. Commissioned for specific purposes. Marriage between art and businesses. Subject matter inspired by marketability and design aesthetics. Products can be found on billboards, magazines, or websites. Graphic designers, illustrators, commercial photographers. Citibank. It is considered to be commercial art because it was created by an educated graphic designer. The logo is displayed in websites, magazines, and other media. This is a public business service provider. American Airlines. This is considered as commercial art. It was created by a graphic designer for the purpose of identifying an airline and its marketability. Their products are found on billboards, magazines, and media. I Love New York. This is considered as commercial art because it serves the purpose of marketability for tourism. Monster Energy Drink. This is considered commercial art because it is designed aesthetic with a message to bring marketability. Their products are displayed in billboards, magazines, and other media, and the designer was a trained and educated professional graphic designer. Popular art. Art popularized by the public. Manufactured, not one of a kind. Considered outside of the fine arts establishments. Made for a specific audience. Purchased in everyday stores. Posters, CD covers, calendars, and decorative plates, etc. The Godfather. It is considered popular art. The Godfather is a movie that has been popularized by public. This collection of movies has been reproduced millions of times, and many other items such as posters, shirts, stickers, and more have been marketable with this item. Precious moments. This is considered to be popular art because they are collectible, marketable items. They have been popularized by public, and we can find figures, calendars, postcards, Bibles, and other items at everyday stores. Harry Potter books. This has been considered as popular art because you can find books, movies, and articles such as posters, toys, and more manufactured and sold at everyday stores. The Elf on the Shelf. This is considered popular art because it was created for a specific audience. You have access to the elf on a shelf in every store, and it is not one of a kind. Pillsbury. This is considered a commercial art because of its marketable purpose. Products can be found on magazines, websites, and everyday stores. Our last art chosen is the Cloud Gate sculpture, also known as the bean, famous symbol of Chicago, and designed by London-based artist Anish Kapoor. As a description, is a bean-shaped, 10 feet tall, with smooth, sleek stainless steel surface. Analyzing. The artist used the stainless steel as a tool for reflection as he designed its shape in an 180-degree curve with the purpose to have most of the sky reflected on its surface. Interpreting. To my point of view, Chicago City is cluttered with concrete and steel. I think he wanted to bring nature elements inside a busy city. It is a way to incorporate the sky to all the natural surroundings in the park. Judging. Before knowing its purpose, I liked it. The reason is I would explore around it the different reflections I could observe of myself. Today that I have learned its purpose, I still like it because it is a very artistic and creative way to incorporate the art of nature. I think it's beautiful because it will always have a unique artistic reflection of the sky every day. Classifications. I could classify this art in applied arts and popular arts. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation. Blessings.